My name is Logan Price. I work in the oil and gas industry. Our company is about 500 employees strong, and I'm a senior operations accountant. I've been using Automation Anywhere for 7 years now. The primary use cases that we've used are focused in the accounting and finance group. We've seen some really good benefit in the accounts payable department and the revenue department. To us, the most valuable features of Automation Anywhere are the approachability. We are a strictly citizen developer team, which means that we're accountants first and bot developers second. Nobody had technical experience beforehand, but we were able to approach it and learn and grasp the concepts with relative ease. In the accounts payable department, we used to manually code the invoices. We would have a payable clerk who would receive an invoice in, and then they would have to code each one. But through several RPA processes, we've been able to automatically code those invoices, reduce the amount of man hours needed in order to process our AP invoices each week. Automation Anywhere RPA has enabled a lot of our employees to have their valuable time freed up to do other things. We were ranging from the Treasury Department, the Revenue Department, general and cost accounting. We had lots of manual processes, no automation whatsoever. And the automations are able to automate those things, document processing, PDFs, ERP system navigation, and it has enabled our employees to focus on other things that require more critical thinking and decision making. As far as what could be improved with Automation Anywhere, I think they have a really wonderful product. There have been things in the past that I have asked them to improve or submitted a ticket to them to improve, and I've seen results from that. They have implemented something that makes the product better. If there was anything that I would ask for improvement on, there were times in the past where through submitting a ticket for support, it seemed that some of the engineers who were helping me did not understand the product that they were supporting. And to me, that felt, it was difficult because I felt like I was almost explaining the product to the company. But again, isolated, and for the most part, it's been a really good experience. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would rate Automation Anywhere support a 7. Their support team, I think, is really great, and they also have a really robust online community, the Pathfinder community, where developers and automation leaders can go and have discussions, submit use cases or issues, and get support from others as well. I have also had Automation Anywhere staff respond and reach out to me through a Pathfinder community post that I've made. Their ticketing system is also good, and they recently implemented an artificial intelligence agent in their email responses that has helped guide the ticket through the escalation process. Before we implemented Automation Anywhere, we were not using any automation or RPA solution. This was back in 2018. The reason that we started looking is that we noticed, obviously we had some pain points. We had some very manual and laborious processes in different accounting groups. We also, as a company, were experiencing, and as an industry, we were experiencing somewhat of a downturn. So we were looking to save on costs and support revenue. And Automation Anywhere was the solution that we went with after evaluating a couple of other solutions as well. When we were looking to implement an RPA solution, one of the other prospective vendors that we looked at was UiPath. And one thing that stood out to our company was how approachable Automation Anywhere was compared to UiPath, which seemed to be more developer focused, more technical focused, not as low code as Automation Anywhere. With Automation Anywhere, you could come from anywhere, any level of experience in any industry. You can learn from their Automation Anywhere University and become a bot developer. And that's what we did. All of our team is composed of accountants who are in the industry first and technical second. And Automation Anywhere really provided a solution that let us make that work. For our deployment, we're using the SaaS cloud offering with Automation Anywhere. The stability and availability of Automation Anywhere has been very reliable. We have not experienced any dramatic outages or downtime while using them. In our experience, Automation Anywhere has been very scalable for our needs. For others who are looking for an RPA solution, who are considering Automation Anywhere, I would encourage you, if you are hoping to have any level of citizen development involved, that you would choose Automation Anywhere. They make it very easy for anyone to learn and pick up the skills required to develop bots. Beyond citizen development, I think that they have a very reliable platform that is very robust in functionality. They can integrate with very many applications, and they make it very easy to create automations that scale and are able to automate a wide array of business processes. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would rate Automation Anywhere as a 9. And it's really because I believe that they're a very fantastic RPA company. Any company has bumps and bruises, but with Automation Anywhere, it's been a very reliable solution that has been able to achieve anything that we need. It's been easy to learn for developers who want to pick it up. It has been easy to manage from a control room perspective on the back end. And as a company, I just really think that they do a very good job at delivering on the customer's needs.